Differentiated instruction, adapting teaching to the abilities and needs of each learner.
One method of differentiated instruction is flexible grouping. In flexible grouping, students are grouped and regrouped based on their learning needs. In the next video, we will provide an example of how to use flexible grouping in an elementary math lesson on fractions.
So this particular activity was designed for these students' EPD and is thus providing them a suitable challenge for their appropriate level. So we're going to work on this word problem here today, guys. David, did you find out the least common denominator for all of these yet?
Is it 12?
12, exactly. So I'll write that down right here.
Yeah.
I can see. So now that we have the least common denominator, and when we want to add these fractions with different denominators, did you figure out the numerators for them?
I think so. So the first one is going to be 8.
8, all right. 8 over 12.
And then 10.
10 over 12. Correct.
And then just
7. Nice. And what did you get for this?
So you add them together and you get 25 over 12.
Exactly. That's the answer right there. Good job, guys.
So in this activity, this group will be using tactile supports in order to review a little bit before they move on to the word problems. All right, guys, for this lesson, you guys are going to be using these fractions to build a whole sheet of paper. So how about you start out with this 1/3 right here.
Okay, so 1/3, and I'm going to grab, let's do 1/6 and another 1/6 because 2 of these is 1/3.
Yep, perfect.
And let's go with 2 more 1/6. Yeah, here we go.
All right.
Yes.
So now add them all up and see if that's a whole sheet.
So 1/3, 1/6, 1/6. That's 2/3. 2 more 1/6. So that's one whole paper right there.
Perfect. Good job. And how about you start with the 1/4?
2/4.
Mm-hmm.
Half.
All right. So maybe rearrange them a little bit. All right. That looks right. Can you add them up?
I got a half. 2/4 is a half. 2 halves is a half.
Perfect. Good job, guys. You're understanding.
Here we offer 5 examples of what not to do. Number 1, assigning advanced students to teach struggling students. Number 2, giving advanced students no homework. Number 3, grouping students into different classes based on their ability. Number 4, letting advanced students out of class early or giving them more free playtime. Number 5, simply allowing students to choose their own books to read off a list.
As a recap, differentiated instruction is adapting teaching to the abilities of each learner. You can do this through flexible grouping, where students are regrouped based on their learning needs. Remember to always promote a whole class spirit, and remember your what not to do's.